Hello, and I welcome the seeker within us. Do you know what is the language of the soul? You could call it the soul, or you could call it your true self. Either way, it speaks in one language, and that is feelings. If you want to know what's true about you, about something, about any question in your life, about literally anything, here is where to look. Look at how you're feeling about it, not at the surface, not the surface reaction, the real feeling, the one that lives deep within you. Real feelings can be difficult to discover and even harder to acknowledge once you find them at times. Usually, they stay hidden because of our beliefs, because of how we have been domesticated by society to feel what is acceptable and what is not. It has taught us how to suppress our feelings, our emotions very well. But your deepest feelings are your highest truths. And do you know there are primary and secondary feelings? Primary feelings are the truest feelings of any event, of anything that has happened in your life. But we sugarcoat these primary feelings with secondary ones, which makes us more socially acceptable, which makes it easier for us to function in this society, to continue to do the work, everyday work, what we are doing. And as the time passes, this primary feeling gets deeper and deeper within us. Of course, we can't be untrue to ourselves all throughout our life. Certain times, when situations arise, when challenges come forth, we cannot find answers by these secondary feelings. And that is the time when the inner work starts. Inner work starts to reach to these primary feelings. The trick is not to force your way to them all at once. We can only reach there step by step by doing the quiet, the patient work of looking within ourselves. It is this process that actually transforms life. I, myself firsthand, have experienced how beautiful it is to live this transformed life, to know how power is within myself. We really hope that you stay connected to this series and you resonate with it. As I'm experiencing fruits of transformation, it is my heartfelt desire to make this path easier to whoever who is started on this path. We sincerely hope that you are welcoming these efforts from us, and we are together, collectively, trying to look within ourselves. Until next time, love and light.